Welcome, and thank you for watching this video tutorial. Today, we're excited to show you how to enable the newest feature in SwellChat, Google integration. By syncing your SwellChat meetings with your Google Calendar, you can save time and stay organized. Before we sign in, it is important to note that you'll need a Google email and calendar account to integrate SwellChat with Google. To make sure integration is straightforward as possible, ensure that you've already signed into your Google account. With that, let's get started. First, we'll need to sign into your SwellChat account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the top right drop-down menu and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Personal Settings and then click on Calendar Settings. Once in Calendar Settings, find and click on Connect Google Calendar. On the next screen, click or tap on Authorize with Google. Please note that you'll need a Google email and calendar account for this integration. If you already have a Google account, a new window will pop up. Choose the Google account you'd like to sync with SwellChat. After choosing your Google account, you'll be able to select syncing specifics. You can choose the settings that work best for you. For the most seamless experience, we recommend selecting Select All, then scroll down and click on Continue. Tap on Finish Linking Calendar to complete the process. You have now enabled Google integration with SwellChat. Before we go, let's learn how to use this new feature. To start, navigate back to the meeting dashboard. If you already have a meeting, select Share and click on Create Calendar Invite. If you haven't created a meeting yet, simply click on New Meeting. For detailed instructions on creating a new meeting, check out our Create a New Meeting video tutorial available on the SwellChat YouTube channel. Once the window pops up to create a calendar invite, fill in the necessary details of your meeting. Then, choose to Send with Google. By doing this, you'll send an invite to the meeting attendee's inbox, and both of you and the attendee will see the meeting reflected on your Google calendars. Remember, you can cancel or reschedule meetings as you normally would by managing your Google Calendar. That's it for today's tutorial on enabling Google integration with SwellChat. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this feature helps you save time and stay organized. Thanks, and have a swell day.